Hello everyone, this is Shujoy from 7 Boats Academy. Today we will see how you can download any video within a minute. So let's see. First you have to go to Chrome and you have to install or add a Chrome extension name save from name net.helper Chrome extension. This is the link you have to click and go to there, and as I already installed this Chrome extension, so let's go to any video and try to download. Suppose I am here in this video and I have to just copy the video URL and go to the link. Suppose I have to go here and go to save from net and go to save from net link, and you just have to there it is, that already that link is pasted here, and I have to download and the video will be downloaded. So in this way you can download any video. Thank you so much, and please like and subscribe and do hit the notification bell for more similar update. Thank you.